Across the transportation sector, there's a powerful shift toward digitalization and automation, improving efficiency, reducing costs, and enhancing safety in rail yards, depots, and factories. This transition is complex. Rail facilities must overcome aging infrastructure, unreliable connectivity, and mission-critical reliability requirements, all within dense, fast-moving operational environments. Private 5G networks enable comprehensive yard automation, supporting real-time shunting, asset tracking, and process optimization. Real-time connectivity improves worker safety through collision avoidance and coordinated machine operations. Private 5G delivers reliable and secure communications essential for process automation and robotics applications, including automated track switching and remote crane operations, enhancing worker safety while maintaining operational integrity through advanced automation capabilities. The digitalization journey for rail facilities is challenging, but 5G private wireless provides the robust foundation required to safely and efficiently transform industrial railway operations.